Right, today I'd like to demonstrate the Homedics Microdermabrasion tool. So it's this here, comes with a stand, and that's also the charging unit. Really easy to use. You just pop the filter in the top. Comes with two different heads. So I'm still on the sensitive one. It's got a little feather there to show it's sensitive. I've got really good results with this so far. I've had this for a few months now, and I had some scars up on my forehead from spots, and it's significantly reduced them. What I'm going to test this with at the moment are their scars on my chin. I've had really bad skin at the moment, to the point where I had to go to the doctors, and he prescribed me this lotion that you sort of smear over the spots. So they've stopped reoccurring now. I'm just left with the scars. So I'm going to do a 10-day trial of the microdermabrasion, and we can see the results. And I'm expecting good results because, as you can see, I've got a little scar there. Now that was a massive spot to the point where my face swelled up so bad. And I've been using the microdermabrasion tool on it, and it's significantly reduced. It was really bright purple at one point. To start the microdermabrasion, you just use the on button. I'm going to take it up to level 4. The lights show which level you're on. I'm going to start with my forehead. That's why I'm on a higher level. And you just glide it across the skin. Now I'm putting the skin taunt a little bit. Just makes it a little bit easier to use. Now I'm only going to go over each section once today, just for speed with this video. But normally I'd go over each section a minimum of 2 times. Oh, it's really weird doing this in a webcam, not in a mirror. Makes it really different. Now it's got suction. You can see I'm struggling with it here. As I say, I'm used to doing this in a mirror. There we go. The suction takes away the dead skin cells. And it's got a diamond tip, so it gives you salon quality results. I'm just going to work down as well, get different angles. Okay, now I'm going to take the level down, as I'm going to go around the eyes now, and it's a very delicate area, so you don't need a high level on that at all. Now I've been having microdermabrasion at a salon for just over a year, but I found that the creams that they use, the moisturiser that they're massaging at the end, the lotion they use, like the cleansers, they were aggravating my skin with spots. So I'd come out of a treatment, I'd get a spot for 2 weeks, and then my skin would be really good after that. But I always had big spots. So I've decided I'm only going to do home treatments from now on. And these spots on my chin, they were from Synergy Caci that I was having. And I'm not sure what it was, but that one on my cheek, my whole face swelled up. I woke up one morning, I opened my eyes, and I'm thinking, well, I can see my cheek. It was that swollen. And as I said, I had to go to the doctors and get some lotion because the spots just wouldn't stop. I think that they'd gone, I wasn't getting any more, and then they'd just restart again. I've got one of the Nuface machines that use the microcurrent like the Caci treatments do, and I absolutely love it. I've got really good results from it. haven't used it for a few days, so I've got the crepey bit has come back on my neck there. But if I use it a lot, then that completely disappears, which I love. Lifts my eyes, lifts my jowls. And the conductive gel that it uses is brilliant. I use the leave-on one and it's really good for my skin. Right, I'm going to take the level up a little bit, up to level 3, and do around the cheeks. As I said, I'm just doing it quickly today for this video. Now, close up. Oh, my chin's a mess. Let's take it down to level 2. I'm going to work different angles. So we go down first of all. And then I'm going to work across. And really awkward. Let's try it with the other hand. So let's see what's been removed. There isn't a whole lot there today. I've only done it quickly though. See a little bit of white there, that's the dead skin cells. Now sometimes when I spend quite a while, if I go over each area 4 times and different angles, then we'll get an awful lot removed. So as I said, I'm going to do a 10-day test, see how these improve.